Healthy Lifestyle Crib presents How to Constantly Earn People's Respect. If you're like me, you've probably wondered what gives some people an unexplainable air of awe and respect from everyone around them. Being regarded by others is a wonderful asset, one that can aid you in all areas of your life. People show you genuine respect when they listen attentively when you speak up and consider what you have to say. It's not always easy to do, but it's always worth the effort. With this video, we are going to show you how to make people always respect you. Learn these 12 qualities and they are going to make a major difference in many areas of your life. Number 1. Show confident. Respect from others depends on your ability to be genuine and unafraid of criticism. Obviously, being polite and helpful to others is crucial. Don't strive too hard to impress people. Doing so runs the risk of making you seem inauthentic and insecure. Though it may take some time to become used to projecting confidence even if you lack it internally, doing so will pay off in the long run. Number 2. Be trustworthy and keep your promises. Trustworthiness is highly valued by others, thus if you want to be respected by them you need to be someone they can rely on and count on to fulfill their word. Follow through on commitments you make. Avoid making false promises or trying to wiggle out of things you know you can't do by being forthright and honest about your inability to do so. If you can't win people's respect by being honest and trustworthy in small situations, you generally won't be able to do so in larger ones. Number 3. Do not overly apologize. It's best to avoid over-apologizing. Never overuse the word sorry, as doing so can give the impression that you're apologizing out of weakness. People will lose respect for you as a result of this. Rather than immediately apologizing for a wrongdoing, it's better to reflect about what went wrong and why before offering an apology. It's fine to apologize if you're truly sorry for your actions, just don't go overboard, and never, ever apologize for who you are. Number 4. Show self-respect. One of the finest ways to get respect from others is to show your own worth as a person. If you want to give the impression that you're confident in yourself and your talents, you need to carry yourself like if you do. When you respect yourself, you are also being truthful with yourself. Take responsibility for your actions and grow as a result of whatever missteps you make. It's not worth it to cover up your imperfections, everyone else does too. Being humble enough to recognize your shortcomings and work to improve them is an admirable quality in a person. Number 5. Pay more attention to listening than talking. Listening attentively is a fundamental act of respect. Listening to another person's story not only makes them feel valued and respected, but it also gives you a chance to pick up nuggets of information that will help you better understand and connect with them in the future. Besides, you can gain valuable insight from hearing the perspectives of others. Listening attentively is a sign of maturity and respect that will be returned by those with whom you communicate. Number 6. Establish firm and enforceable boundaries. Setting boundaries can help if you feel like you're being taken advantage of because of your generosity. If others think they can push you around, they won't respect you, therefore it's important to establish some limits for yourself. Establish firm boundaries and be ready to enforce them. Be polite but strong with someone who has crossed a boundary. If they persist in doing so, make it clear that they are no longer welcome to do so. Setting and upholding boundaries demonstrates a person's self-sufficiency and strength, which is why they are respected. Boundaries should be established not only with love partners and family members, but with everyone in one's life. Number 7. Being humble. There is such a thing as having too much of a good thing, and one of those things is self-confidence. However, having too much self-confidence can lead to arrogance. People don't respect arrogant people because they have an inflated view of themselves and a consequent lack of humility. But a healthy sense of self-worth also includes the ability to give credit when credit is due. Recognize the efforts of others and refrain from taking all the glory yourself by practicing humbleness and admitting when you're wrong. Humbleness is a powerful quality that commands respect from others around you. Number 8. Keep your temper and anger under control. Anger and temper are two emotions that need to be managed. In a business setting, an angry or aggressive tone of voice can be extremely off-putting. Remember that other people are under no obligation to accept your anger. While it's normal to feel furious at times, no one else can make you feel differently. If you have a short fuse, people will have a hard time respecting you. If you feel your temper rising, step away for a while and attempt to collect your thoughts before communicating again. This will demonstrate to others that you can be relied upon and are someone they can work with. People will treat you with more reverence when you act in this manner. Respect is acquired over time, but it's well worth the effort it takes to achieve it. Number 9. Think and behave like a leader, not a follower. Behaving like a follower instead of a leader is a guaranteed way to lose people's respect. Leaders are looked up to because they are the ones who take leadership and actually get things done. They know what they want and are committed to doing whatever it takes to get there. But those who only imitate others are rarely looked up to because they lack originality and are afraid to take chances. If you want people to respect you, all you have to do is tell them what to do, and they will obey. When you demonstrate leadership qualities such as initiative, originality, and a willingness to make decisions, followers will respect and adore you. Number 10. Accept and respect the perspectives of others. Having the maturity to acknowledge and appreciate the thoughts and feelings of others, even if they differ from your own, sends a powerful message that you see them as worthy of respect. That's a potent way to influence others, because it makes them feel valued and appreciated. This might be challenging, especially if you disagree with what they are saying, but it is essential to not blindly accept the views of others without giving due consideration to your own. Remember that everyone has the right to an opinion, even if it conflicts with your actions or ideas, because this can cause issues in the future. Number 11. Maintain a confident body language. What you project through your body language has a significant impact on how others see you and can even be used to gain their respect. Keep your head up and your shoulders back, look people in the eye when you speak, and walk with confidence. Keep your shoulders back and arms at your sides to prevent coming across as defensive. This is especially true in a business situation, when sloppy body language can send the wrong message about your self-assurance and competence. On the other hand, using confident body language will show others that you are confident and knowledgeable, which is something everyone wants in their coworkers and employees. Number 12. Avoid making fun of yourself. Making fun of yourself is an easy way to lose people's respect for you. No amount of self-deprecating humor can earn you the respect of others. Others will see straight through it. In fact, if you want to be taken seriously, they may find it obnoxious or childish. Again, this is especially true in a business setting. Don't make jokes about yourself. Having someone around who is often making jokes about themselves or behaving childishly is annoying. Alternatively, if you make jokes about yourself in a self-deprecating style while still being very confident and happy in your own skin, people are more inclined to admire you as a result. Make an effort to absorb and implement these 12 qualities, and you'll be astounded by the level of respect others have for you. Please let us know if you agree with this list and if there is anything you think we overlooked. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you liked this video and would like to learn more, we recommend checking out the other videos on this channel in the links included in the video's description. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.